Before the return of the Nike KD6 Meteorology, the Nike KD line had already taken social media by storm, largely thanks to frequent appearances by Aubrey Drake Graham. The Slim Reaper moniker defines this signature shoe series, and Nike has been working to bring back some of its most beloved archival designs, with the Nike KD6 currently leading the way. This upcoming re-release revives the famous weather-inspired colorway from 2013, featuring black and medium olive tones alongside accents of atomic red and noble red. If you didn't miss out on the 2013 release, you won't want to miss the new 2026 edition. Stick around to learn about the history and details and get a close-up look at the new KD6 Meteorology. All the retro releases of this silhouette have revisited the original colorways from its 2013 to 14 season, and the upcoming release is no exception. The Nike KD6 Meteorology features a colorway that became somewhat meta for Durant's sixth signature model, building on the Weatherman concept that had already established itself as a fan favorite in the line. Drawing inspiration from Durant's early passion for weather forecasting, Nike created one of the most striking concepts in the KD line back in 2013. A grid pattern adorns the olive panels surrounding the tongue, collar, and interior, while bright red accents stand out against the predominantly black upper. This new 2026 edition features a massive printed swoosh on the lateral side, accompanied by red KD graphics near the heel. Black laces and a matching midsole prevent the brighter colors from becoming overwhelming, while the patterned lining further enhances the weather map motif. Nike has also retained the performance formula that made the KD6 stand out from the crowd when it first launched. The Flywire support system is integrated into the lacing, while the low-profile sole features a 4-foot Zoom Air unit and comfortable heel cushioning. The Nike KD6 Meteorology releases July 3, 2026 for $135 through Nike.com and select Nike basketball retailers. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Footgear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.